Okay, now let's go over factors. What is a factor? A factor is any one of the numbers multiplied in a multiplication problem. So, to find the factors of a number, you have to think about what numbers, when you multiply them, when you multiply them by each other, give you that number. So, one tip is to always start off with 1 and then work your way up. So, if I asked you to find the factors of 6. So, start at 1. What do you multiply 1 by to get to 6? 6, right? 1 times 6. It's kind of like the same. You'll see the connection with what we did for multiples in this kind of problem, okay? Now, all right, so we started with 1 times 6. Now 2. Can 2 be multiplied by something to get to 6? Yep. 2 can multiply something, but can multiply by 3 to get 6. What about 3? Well, we already have 3. 4, nope. 5, no. 6, we already have it. So all of these numbers are factors of 6. So a factor is a number that when you multiply, it gives you that number. Now, the trick is when you write your factors down, it's best to put them in order. So you start with the first one. You start with 1, 2, 3, and 6. So these are the 4 factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Let's do a few more examples. Again, remember that a factor is a number that's when you multiply. So let's find the factors of 8. Let's start with what number? 1. Great. All right. 1 times 8 gives us 8. Can you multiply 2 by something? Yes. Great. 2 times 4. 3. Nope, 3 can't go into 8. 4. We already have 4 here. 5. Nope. 6. Nope. 7. We have 8 here. All right. So how many factors are there of 8? 4. Let's write them in order. What are they? The 4 factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Remember to write them in order. 1, 2, 4, 8. All right. Let's do a number that's a little bit challenging. Are you ready? I think you're ready. What are the factors of 12? 12. All right, let's start with 1. Is 12 a factor of 12? Sorry, is 1 a factor of 12? It sure is, because you multiply it by 12. 2. Is 2 a factor of 12? Yes, because you multiply it by 6. 3. Is 3 a factor of 12? You're right, because you multiply it by 4. 4, we already have it. 5, 6, already here. 7, no. 8, nope. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12. Here we go. That's it. So how many factors does 12 have? 6. 6 factors. What's the trick to writing them? And you write them in order. So the 6 factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Those are the 6 factors of 12. Now look at this. Ready? This is kind of why you put them in order too. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Those are the factors. Let's do some of our examples. What are the factors of 7? Well, is 1 a factor of 7? Yes, because you multiply it by 7. What about 2? Nope. 4? No. 5, 6, 7? No. So what are the 2 factors of 7? 1, 7. Those are the only factors. Ooh, want to do a challenging one? What are the factors of 24? Mrs. Romero, I'm so scared. Should you be scared? No, because all you have to do is just figure out what numbers, what factors when you multiply it give you 24. And we always start with 1. So 1 times 24, right? Yes. What about 2? 2 is a factor because you multiply it by the other factor, 12. 3. Is 3 a factor of 24? Yes, it is. You multiply 3 by 8. Great job. 4 is 4 not a multiple, sorry. Is 4 a factor of 24? Can you multiply 4 by something to get 24? You sure can. 4 times 6. Those are factors. 5, is it 5 a factor of 24? No. 6, we already have 6 here. 7, no. 8 right there. 9, 10, 11, 12, we already have 12. 13, 14, 15. If we went on, there's no more factors. So, does 24 have a lot of factors? It does. 24 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So if you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the factors of 24. Now, what I want you to do is pause the video. You are going to pause it and do lesson practice F, G, and H, and we'll correct it together. All right, pause it. All right, here we go. Let's go over the answers. For lesson practice F, list the factors of 8. All right, start again. Start at 1. 1 times 8. 2 times 4. Are there any other factors that can go into 8? Nope. So you write them like this. 1, 2, 4, 8. Those are the 4 factors of 8. For letter G, 2 factors of 18 are 1 and 18. Find 4 more factors. Ooh, 4 more factors. All right. So we already know that 1 and 18 those are 2 factors. Let's continue. 2. Is 2 a factor of 18? Yes, it is, because you multiply 2 times 9. What about 3? Is 3 a factor of 18? Yep. 3 times 6. Anything else? Any other factors? Nope. So we write them. Well, this says find 4 more factors. So besides 1 and 18, so you would write 2, 3, 6, 9. Those are the other 4 factors of 18. And the last one, list the factors of 5. Tricky. This is an odd number. What are the 2 factors of 5, meaning the only 2 numbers that can go into 5? You are right. That is 1 and 5. All right, boys and girls. Now what I want you to do is complete your mixed practice. Lesson 55, 1 through 28.